Alright, I got it running here with the pump again. So a nice little waterfall over there. That ugly blob I might have to do something about. Not sure, maybe I can get some moss to grow over it. Bends around. The rapids look good. Nice little noise. And the intake bay is pulling nicely. You can see it's collecting all this stuff. So that's good. I don't know if you can see the current, I can see it through the mud. Might not be coming up on the phone. But anyway. Once I get it cleaned up, it's going to look really nice. And today I want to finish tidying everything up. I've got a conifer that's going to go in over there. I'll put some plants in here, something ground covery, and some ground covers here under the maple. I'll tidy up over here at the intake bay. I have a plant for that corner, but it's not ready yet. I took some cuttings. Yeah, so I'll tidy this up and clean all this water out again and fill it with clean stuff and see if we can get it looking good. Fingers crossed. Alright, I'm going to get into it. Well, I got it all finished. The water's cloudy, but it's not dirty. Got some lights in. The intake bay. Seems to be working good. All the edges are nice and neat. I think it's come up really nice. So now I just have to wait for the water to cycle and to get nice and clear. The plants to all fill in. And some fish. I'd like to do southern pygmy perch in here, or maybe Murray River rainbows. But so that's it. The ecosystem pond on a budget. Done. Very happy.